If you're an entrepreneur or creator working on a book or trying to come up with ideas and ways to get the word out about your book, this video is for you. Now, my name is Rodney Washington, book creation coach, monetization strategist. I help coaches, consultants, and creators take their knowledge and expertise and package them into a best-selling book brand that positions them as an authority in the marketplace so they can sell more of their products and services easier with less resistance from prospective clients and customers. Now, the video I'm showing you, or the screenshot I'm showing you today, is from an idea that just came across my desk, I guess, if you will, recently, for a template that I really liked. And I'll put the link to that inside of the description here about using a word search type graphic or tool in order to generate interest in your book. So what I did was I took this template, as again, I like this a lot, and I have a word search tool that I like to use, and I actually had the idea to create this as a graphic. If you've been to any of my other presentations, I did a presentation on my bestseller blueprint, 10 proven strategies to get more eyeballs and sales on your book. One of those strategies that I talked about a lot was the interest post. An interest post is like this. It's a post that you do on your social media. It includes an eye-catching graphic that stops the scroll and encourages people to engage with the content so that you can start a back and forth communication, conversation in the comments, back and forth, which generates more interest in the post, which gets more eyeballs on it, which then gets more people knowing about your call to action, which is to go get on your email list, which I highly recommend, or direct message you to learn more about your book or your programs or whatever you're creating around the book. So this is the interest post that I like to use a lot. So this, what I'm showing you today, is a take on that from a little bit of a more creative angle. So this is called a word search. And what it is you put a call to, or what do you call it? A headline that gets people's attention. So I know that my ideal people I like to work with are creators who are, again, author creators who are creating a book, either have done it or they're working on one. And what I did was I used it as my headline. Then I pulled 9 words, and actually I just ran through ChatGPT and I gave it some instructions, and I said, give me 9 words that I can use based on what you know about my digital planner, my bestseller blueprint digital planner. Give me 9 words I could use. I actually asked for more. And it gave me a list of words I could use. And again, I focused this around income streams. Now, I could do this again around, promotional ideas. There's a variety of different ways I can multi-purpose this. So anyway, I got my words that I liked and I chose those. I did pull these emojis, though. I'm on a Mac, so I used the Notes tab on my computer to grab these emojis. These emojis did not come from Canva. This is a Canva template, by the way. So again, I used, I couldn't find emojis that I really liked, and I wanted something really small. So anyway, so I grabbed the emojis from my Notes app on my computer, wrote out what the 9 words were. Then I used a word search tool, which I will tell you about, but not actually on this video. I'll tell you about in a future presentation. I'm still in conversation with the creator of this word search tool, and as soon as I get permission to share the link to her resource, I will let you know about that. So anyway, you could do this manually if you wanted to. I didn't do it that way, just for full transparency. So anyway, I had I put the 9 words I picked inside of this word search creation tool. It created this graphic for me, and I just copied and pasted it into the template. And then I put a call to action at the bottom. And if you notice down here at the very bottom right-hand corner, this is actually the cover of my digital planner. So my bestseller blueprint digital planner, which you see over here on this page here, if you go to my main page of my digital planner, this is the cover art. Okay, so what I did was I have a magazine layout template that if you decide to upgrade and get the bestseller blueprint, you actually get this template to lay this graphic out. And then I'm also going to throw in the template here to make this layout, word search layout tool if you want to do that. So anyway, all I did was I just repurposed a graphic I already had, which in this case is the magazine layout. And I'll blow it up so you can really, really see it. I'll take it up a little bit bigger. So it's like a page flap type. It's like the magazine's folded over. So I put that graphic here. I put a big blaring animated arrow showing. So it is this because it is so small, because I've got so much else going on the graphic. My artwork for my cover had to take a little bit of a back seat because I wanted the headline to be there, the words, I wanted the word search puzzle to be there. So my cover is kind of getting a little bit of a back seat. So that's why I put this glaring, like emergency road sign arrow here that's animated that shows that this is what you're going to get, which in this case is the bestseller blueprint. And again, I'm going to be doing the presentation again soon. If you'd like to learn more about that, pop the comment in the description here or in the comments of this video, and I'll make sure you get the link to the updated presentation. But in the meantime, you can see the last presentation that I did where I walked through this entire bestseller blueprint, which gives you 10 plus ideas that you can employ to get more eyeballs and sales on your book. Also includes a bonus training series of bonus training courses, including how to get clear about your monetization opportunities that you have based on your book. It includes how to get booked on podcasts. It includes a training on Facebook ads. There's a lot available in this. And if you decide to upgrade and get that, this is actually the course that you get. So you get the replay from my last coaching session. You get the digital, a digital copy of the Bestseller Blueprint Planner. You get all this bonus training. There's literally like over $1,000 worth of training courses that you get in here, all available for right now just $197. You get access to the whole thing, $197. Also includes a 1 hour, 60-minute implementation strategy session. So if you are interested in having something created like this for yourself, for your own book, a word search type tool like this, I can show you how to set that up as a part of that call. I also have kind of a blank template here to kind of show you what you would fill in. So you would put in, if you notice this graphic right here, I've already got it set up just to drop your images in there. If you've got cover art, inside pages, you update this to your call to action, what your offer is, put your headline up here and put in your 9 words right here. And then you would create your word search with a separate tool, and you would get something like this. And then what you would do is you would then create an interest post that looks like this, that you would then share on social media and get more interest in your book. You can use it as a lead magnet. So if you want to give away some free pages from your book, if you want to invite people to a presentation or go watch, see another piece of content maybe you have on TikTok or YouTube or something like that. There's a lot of ways that you can use this graphic, but the main focus behind this is to get attention, get eyeballs, and stop the scroll, because people cannot buy what they do not know exists. Alrighty, so I just wanted to show this to you really quick. If you want to learn more about all of this, the description is inside of the video here. And I think this is a fun, cool, kind of a fresh way to get more attention on your book. I think it's very obviously attention grabbing, it's newsfeed scroll stopping, and I like it a lot. So anyway, I wanted to share it with you, and I'll also share the link to who I got the template from, the original template idea from, and then I zhuzhed it up with my own my own graphics and my own setup for it. All right. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to, if you like this video, found value in it, click the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because that helps more people find the video. And I look forward to connecting with you on my next live presentation, or if you decide to get the Bestseller Blueprint bundle, that includes a 1 hour consult with me. So I'm more than happy to discuss with you how to set this up and get you going. Alrighty, take care.